You guys, my auntie is going, you know, she has finished now. We'll go. So this is how it's supposed to be rotating. There is a money down. Let's go. Say hi. Good morning, Nigeria. Good morning, Nigeria. Right, something to start my morning. You guys, it's too much. I have a story to share with you soon. Yesterday was hell for me. Crazy hell. Forget that I'm smiling now. I almost passed out because of everything that was happening, which I'll share in a sit-down video. Remind me, okay? That I'll be held accountable for tell you guys the story. So I ordered something online. Let me show you. Before this thing came, this is not the story. Just something I want to show you that I picked up. Before this thing came, it took time, but it finally came. Let me show you guys the thing that I bought. So I ordered this. This one is crazy, and that's exactly how cold it is. The weather is very cold this morning. If you see the way I even dressed my baby, you'll think she's going to the moon. I ordered this stuff. I don't know if you guys can see my face, but please try and see my face, okay? Before this thing came, it took time, but thank God it's finally here. It's a 360 camera rotator. It's not a camera, it's the rotator that I got. So I'm just trying to unbox it here for us to see what's in here. I think it came with a free gift. I was gifted a gift too. I was scared about this purchase too because it took time. So I didn't want to believe it was scam because she seems like, I don't know. I was just convinced it's not scam, especially because she gave me free gifts. Oh, this is so tough. Why did she know I have a baby? She said I wanted to buy like this stick-on stand. I don't know. You guys know that, and I'll show you. For my phone. So she was like, I should not worry about that because she's actually on a promo. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I got. So you will screw this on a tripod stand. Place your phone on it. It's like a holder, a phone holder too. And then according to them, it's a camera track a camera tracks the smart personal robot cameraman. I don't know how you guys see. So it's supposed to, so these are the things that it does: vlogging, vlog shooting, portrait switch, beauty, and triangle bracket. I don't know. I hope all these accessories are inside. So you're supposed to put it on a tripod and place your phone or your camera on it, and it just keeps following you wherever you're going. Like whatever you're doing, it's following you like that. So there's no need of you always stressing yourself for angles. I love the fact that this vlogging thing, instruments are coming out that are making life easy for us vloggers and content creators, to be honest. So the components. This is the cord. I love the fact that everything now, okay. Oh, it's a normal charger mount, like normal flat pin mount. I thought it was a Type-C. I wanted to be sure. There's a manual. There's a little manual. There's a little manual which I'm not sure I'll be needing because I'm not a dundee. I might just be needing it still because it looks well explanatory. And this is the actual stuff. Ooh, my best blessing milk they come out. You put it on for me. I think okay, you're supposed to be charging it. I don't know if I should use it first before I charge it. Where did they charge it? Where am I supposed to plug in the charger? I can't find anywhere. I honestly cannot find anywhere. So you can go like this. You can bend very well. And then you can. That's all. It's not really bending very well. So you can go very, very lower. Where am I supposed to charge it? Oh, okay, found it. This is where I'm supposed to charge it. And then this is where I'm supposed to screw onto the tripod. Morning. So definitely I'll be trying this out. And then to the free gift, this is what I got. She sent me this. I'm so excited for it. I love the color. And then, how did she know I have a baby? And this is so important. Like, then that's you. Like, this is my first time buying from this lady for these things that she has done. These free things. I mean, if I was supposed to buy this thing at 2,000 naira now, or 1.5 or 2.5, this one on her site is like 3k, 5.5 for somebody I just met. There's still a discount on this. It was supposed to be like 16k or so. There's a discount. I think it was 13 or so. I mean, for this thing that she has done, I'm going to put her hand. For this thing that she has done, I'm going to put her handle on the screen. I'm squinting because the sun wants to finish me. I'm going to put her handle on the screen for you guys to patronize her if you want to. But let's try out this camera protector. So this is a tripod stand that I have. I'm going to be trying this. This is my other phone that will be using to try this out. It's my other phone we're using to try it out. This is the star of the show. Alright, I'm not going to remove any nylon. Let me just. What am I supposed to do? I'll be the thing they look. Okay, guys, here it is rotating. I put it on. So the red light is on now. I charged it for some time though. So it's rotating now. Let's try it on the tripod. So this is how it's supposed to be rotating. Round and round. Don't press anything. This is a story that I have to talk about. How this came about. I feel so terrible. I feel so guilty. Like mom guilt wants to kill me, you guys. I'm going to share the story soon. So this is how it's supposed to be rotating. I don't know. You can stop it. You can stop it if you want. But you can bend this if you want. Still rotating. Then you can also bend it this way if you want. It's still rotating. So yeah, I'm going to put the handle on the screen for you guys. Did you guys like it? I've been unboxing beautiful things lately. You guys think this is cute? It's a good buy. It comes with a tripod, but I didn't want to get a tripod because I mean it's a different price and I already have tripods at home, so why am I getting tripods? I have too many tripods. Yomi has the largest ears.
Yes, A. B. A.
C.
C.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Careful, okay? Huh? It's heavy. It's heavy now. You don't know. Keep it there. Keep it there now. Should I help you?
Okay.
Okay, that's why you want to carry me. Why it's good. Leave me, I'm coming. Breast milk. Guys, my auntie is going. She has finished her omugo. She's literally the one that came for omugo for me, and it's almost 3 months now. She's been with us. I'm so grateful for the gift of her. That's her. She's saying her final buys. She's leaving. My mom has not been so strong to do things for us, so she had to call her elder sister to come and be with us. So she's been with us literally 3 months now. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. And now she's leaving.
Well, thank you.
Nene, reach me. 15 idea. Nene is going up. Amen. You may say amen. So this is my auntie and she's leaving.
I'm going yo.
Chai.
Yeah. I'm going yo. Sasa. I'm going for.
Normal video.
Okay. I'm going yo. See you.
Chai.
Yeah.
We shall see. Many know it's over key or
One you. See you. Bye bye. Bye. Guys, I'm running errands. I'm actually going out to the Chin Hospital where my son take off the stitch on his face. Say hi. Say hi. Take off the stitch. how we got the injury.
Mommy,
Let's go. Love you too. Say hi.
Enjoy. Can I have the chicken? Can I have the chicken? You don't want ice cream, right? Why don't you use your right hands to eat? Use your right hands. Use your face.
I got that.
Hey, look, man.